This thing is absolutely enormous. It is obviously a Bluetooth speaker, but how good is it? Is it just a joke, or is it actually quite a fun tool? I think this looks really, really fun and interesting. So yeah, I'm unboxing the brand new AirPods for Giants. In fact, one AirPod. And you get in the box this absolutely giant AirPods like Bluetooth speaker. Not really too much on the box. It does tell you what's inside. It's just a normal white box with the image of the product on the outside. So you do get this one black cable in the box, and it has a USB-A connector on one end, and then it splits in the other end into a micro USB and a headphone jack. I'm guessing you use one of these to charge it, obviously, because it will be a rechargeable battery. And the microphone jack, I'm not really sure why that would be there, because then it would have to plug into something with a USB-A port. So slightly strange, but anyway, this probably is just used as the charging cable anyway. You also get the USB port on there, so you can plug in, I guess, like a thumb drive or whatever you want to call it into there with some songs on if you want to use that. There is also a microphone. It says anyway, it says mic on here. So maybe you can use this as a complete Bluetooth. If you do want to link it up to your phone and you get a phone call, I guess you can just use the microphone slot here and it will actually pick it up. But obviously it's just a joke sort of thing. And I just think it's quite fun. If you're like a big Apple fan for sure, or if you just want a different type of Bluetooth speaker and you've got the real AirPods, then maybe you want to use something like this. But let's link it up to the iPhone, because if you've got this, probably an Apple fan, and you might want to know if it links up well with an iPhone. So I noticed there's a few grills on here. This grill here, which I thought may have been like a secondary speaker. Maybe this would be for like the highs or maybe bass or something. And you do have the main speaker in there as well. This actually on the side, when I played the music, didn't come out with any music. So I'm not really sure what it is. Maybe it's just for show. The main speaker is where all of the music comes out of. You have like two different speakers in here and the grill, but it's actually put together pretty well. I mean, for what it is, I know it's just plastic, but put together well. And the audio, it's actually not terrible. The music or the audio out of it is definitely loud enough. You don't really expect much out of a product this big, but definitely loud enough. It's not the best I've ever heard from a Bluetooth speaker. It's not going to beat some really expensive ones from like Bose or something, but just as a, like a small gift, it actually is a lot louder than the iPhone, a lot louder, a lot bassier. Even at the very high level, there's no distortion with the sound. So it's okay. It's definitely not disappointing from what you expect when you buy something like this. A fun gadget anyway, and actually this is in China, this is 120 RMB, which is about 10 pounds. It's like 14 bucks, 14 US dollars, something like that. So really not expensive, just a fun gift. Thought I'd unbox it today, and a pretty fun brand new AirPods Pro. Subscribe for the latest tech news and videos. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.